Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you guys how to do box braids on yourself. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned. Start things off, you are going to need a type of gel. You can use Shine and Jam, or you can use Cream of Nature, Argan Oil, Perfect Edges. You're also going to need some rubber bands to do the rubber band method, and you are going to need your type of hair. And this is the type of hair that I use for today. All right, first you want to start off by sectioning your hair. You'd have to part it, put some gel on it, and put a rubber band around it. Some people don't like the rubber band method, but I find that this works good for my hair. All right, so first you want to go ahead and section off some hair, and you want to make sure it's the right size that you need, so just adjust it accordingly. You section the hair, you do not want the straight flat ends that come in the pack like that. You want to make sure you stretch it out as I am doing right here. Also, take your paddle brush and brush it out so that it's not all nappy and kinky. And that there is how you want the ends of your hair to be, feathered ends. So what you see me doing here is pretty much sectioning off 1/3 of the piece of hair that we took off. And what we're gonna do is loop that around and make 3 equal parts. All right, this part is very important. This is pretty much the placement of how you want to apply the braid and how you want to grip it. So if you guys missed that, do not freak out. I am going to do that several times throughout the video. But basically, you just want to put it through your thumb, wrap it around with your other fingers, and grab it with your pointer finger and your thumb. All right, guys, so I slowed this part down for you just so you can see what's going on. Again, you want to split the hair into 3 equal parts. Then you're gonna take your thumb and put it through one of the parts, and then you're gonna wrap your other fingers around and take your index finger and put it through the other 2 pieces. It sounds difficult, but you'll get it, believe me. If I got it, you guys can get it. And again, I will be showing this multiple times throughout the video, so don't panic. All right, so after that, you just want to continue braiding. Just braid like so. Make sure you're grabbing all of your real hair. And usually before I apply the extensions, I like to split my piece of hair, my real hair, into 2 pieces. Some people do 3. I personally like doing 2. That's just personal preference, but it's totally up to you. You just have to figure out what works best for you. There's no right or wrong way. I just wanna find love. So when you get to a point where your real hair is about to stop within the braid, you want to grab some gel and make sure you put some on there and braid tight, just so that your real hair isn't sticking outside of the braid. All right, guys, so this is just a second way you can apply the extensions to your real hair. You can literally just section it in 3, split your real hair in 2 or 3, your personal preference, and just attach the hair with the extensions. Just grip both of them together and just braid. I just wanna find love. I just wanna find love. I just wanna find love. I just wanna find love, yeah. I just wanna find love. You get to the end of the braid, you want to take a little bit of gel and put it on there just so it doesn't unravel, which is also the reason why we have to feather the ends of the hair versus having it choppy and too straight, because it can unravel. The ends are supposed to look nice and feathered like that. She say that she got me. I say maybe probably. Alright guys, this is day 2 of me doing my hair. I got extremely tired last night, but just a quick little recap. You want to split your hair into 2 or 3 sections, put some gel on it, and this is one way you could do it. And this here is also the other way you can apply the extensions to your real hair. Whichever one you prefer, totally up to you.
My chest that's been broken, but I bounce back. She says she need me, won't leave me, but I doubt that. Tell me that it's real, won't you love me like for real? You say that you want me, don't you disappoint me. Ooh, it feels like I've been wasting all of my time. I got baddies banging my line, I got baddies waiting in line. Like a diamond you shine, like a homie you ride. Keep your love on my mind. I've got my mind on you. My body on you too. On you too. I know the things that you need, you want. Things you want. I can't believe even when you don't. Now won't you find my love? Now won't you find my love? Won't you find my love? I just wanna find love.
Alright guys, so sometimes when you get towards the end of your braid, you have like 3 uneven pieces. So what I find best to make it a little bit more seamless is have the short piece in the middle and then just grab some other hair from another side just to kind of make it even and just continue braiding. Usually when you have the shorter piece in the middle and take some hair, that's usually when it comes out a little bit more natural.
I've got my mind on you. Yeah. Want my body on you too. Yeah. I know the things that you need, you want. Yeah. I can't believe even when you don't. Now won't you find my love? Now won't you find my love? Won't you find my love? Won't you find my love? Yeah. I just wanna find love. I just wanna find love. I just wanna find love. I just wanna find love, yeah. I just wanna find love. Baby, show me some love. I just wanna find love. Baby, show me some love. Heartbeat in my chest, that don't mean nothing less about that. She say she love me, don't mean nothing, I doubt that. I want that for real, love a nigga like for real. She say that she got me, I say maybe probably. Feels like I'm running out of time. I want something special, want something I can't call mine. I got the baddies, I keep the baddies on mine. But she say that she different, got me listening. She say I've got my mind on you. Want my body on you too. I know the things that you need, you want. I can't believe even when you don't. Now won't you find my love? Now won't you find my love? Won't you find my love? Won't you find my love?
Alright guys, that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Tell me that it's real, won't you love me like for real? You say that you want me, don't you disappoint?